Abalone. An abalone is a sea animal with a beautiful, shiny shell. People sometimes eat it as seafood, and the shell is often used to make jewelry. We found an abalone shell on the beach. Abalones live under rocks in the sea. While walking near the ocean, I spotted a colorful abalone shell glistening in the sand. The fisherman carefully picked up the abalone, knowing its shell could be made into beautiful decorations. Shellfish, a sea animal with a hard shell. Mollusk, a soft sea animal, sometimes with a shell. Sea snail, a snail that lives in the ocean. Other similar words: clam, oyster, scallop. Land animal, an animal that lives on land, not in water. Mammal, animals like dogs or humans, not sea creatures with shells. Bird, an animal that flies, not one that lives in the ocean. Other opposite words: elephant, tiger, parrot.